Nothing's worse than missing the perfect shot because your action camera failed, dead battery, shaky footage, or just couldn't keep up. I've been there, which is why I spent 6 months pushing 6 top action cameras to the limit. Diving, biking, surfing, skiing, and even handing them to wild kids. The best ones don't just survive, they capture every moment in crisp detail. Whether you're an adventurer or just want cool family clips, I'll show you which cameras truly deliver. Check the description for deals. Let's get into it. Let me start with the Insta360 X4, and I'll be honest about what makes 360 cameras special and when they actually make sense for action photography. After months of testing this hybrid approach, I've discovered some genuinely unique capabilities that traditional action cameras simply can't match. The 8K 360-degree footage creates possibilities that are genuinely mind-blowing when you nail the shot. During my testing, I captured perspectives that would be impossible with traditional cameras, following mountain bike trails where you can see the entire environment, or creating those dramatic perspective shifts that make viewers feel like they're actually there. What impressed me most was the flexibility in post-production. With 360 footage, you're essentially capturing everything, then deciding later what the viewer sees. I could create multiple different videos from the same 360 recording, focusing on different aspects of the action or creating cinematic camera moves that would require expensive equipment with traditional cameras. The single-lens 4K mode transforms this into a capable traditional action camera when you don't need the 360 features. The 72-megapixel spherical images are genuinely impressive for creating immersive content that works well on social media and VR platforms. For action enthusiasts who primarily want 360 capabilities but occasionally need traditional action camera functionality, the X4 delivers impressive versatility. Just understand that you're getting a specialized tool rather than the best traditional action camera. The GoPro Hero 12 represents excellent value when you can find it on sale. And after extensive testing, I understand why it remains relevant despite newer models being available. At the right price point, this camera delivers most of what action camera users actually need. What I particularly appreciated during testing was the wireless microphone support, which opens up possibilities for better audio in action scenarios. Combined with the log video support, this camera offers more professional features than you'd expect at its current price point. The built-in tripod mount seems like a small detail, but it proved incredibly useful during my testing for quick setup shots and time-lapse sequences. These little conveniences add up to a more user-friendly experience overall. Battery life and overall performance held up well during my testing across various conditions. While it's not the latest technology, it's proven and reliable for most action camera applications. The main limitations compared to newer models are noticeable in low-light situations and battery life. The lack of GPS might be disappointing for some users who like to track location data with their footage, though it does help with battery conservation. At full retail price, there are better options available. But when sales drop the Hero 12 below $300, it becomes one of the best value propositions in action cameras. For budget-conscious users who want proven GoPro reliability and features, this represents an excellent entry point. The GoPro Hero 12 represents excellent value when you can find it on sale. And after extensive testing, I understand why it remains relevant despite newer models being available. At the right price point, this camera delivers most of what action camera users actually need. What I particularly appreciated during testing was the wireless microphone support, which opens up possibilities for better audio in action scenarios. Combined with the log video support, this camera offers more professional features than you'd expect at its current price point. The built-in tripod mount seems like a small detail, but it proved incredibly useful during my testing for quick setup shots and time-lapse sequences. These little conveniences add up to a more user-friendly experience overall. Battery life and overall performance held up well during my testing across various conditions. While it's not the latest technology, it's proven and reliable for most action camera applications. The main limitations compared to newer models are noticeable in low-light situations and battery life. The lack of GPS might be disappointing for some users who like to track location data with their footage, though it does help with battery conservation. At full retail price, there are better options available. But when sales drop the Hero 12 below $300, it becomes one of the best value propositions in action cameras. For budget-conscious users who want proven GoPro reliability and features, this represents an excellent entry point. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 has become my go-to recommendation for anyone doing vlogging or content creation with action cameras. And after extensive testing, I understand why the flip-up screen makes such a dramatic difference in usability. This camera solved problems I didn't even realize I had. The 8K video capability provides impressive resolution for slower-paced content, though I found it less suitable for high-action scenarios due to digital artifacts. The real benefit is the ability to crop into 8K footage while maintaining 4K quality, which provides significant flexibility in post-production. What surprised me during testing was how different image processing algorithms affect the final output. Despite sharing the same sensor as the DJI Action 5, the Ace Pro 2 produces distinctly different results, showing how software optimization matters as much as hardware. Battery life consistently impressed throughout testing, easily handling full-day shooting sessions without anxiety about power management. The magnetic mounting system is different from DJI's approach, but equally effective and secure. The unusual angle shooting capabilities proved more useful than expected. The flip screen makes hip shots, over-the-head angles, and other creative perspectives much easier to execute accurately. For content creators who prioritize self-filming capabilities and excellent low-light performance, the Ace Pro 2 delivers features that specifically address vlogging and creative content needs better than traditional action cameras. The GoPro Hero 13 Black represents the most significant update to GoPro's flagship in years, and after extensive testing with the new lens system, I'm genuinely impressed with how this transforms the camera's capabilities. This isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's a fundamental expansion of what an action camera can do. The interchangeable lens system is the defining feature that sets this camera apart. The ultra-wide lens mod, with a 177-degree field of view, the macro lens mod for close-ups, and the upcoming anamorphic lens mod create shooting possibilities that no other action camera offers. During testing, each lens genuinely felt like having a different specialized camera. The new magnetic mounting system finally brings GoPro up to par with competitors, and the implementation is excellent. Mounting and dismounting is quick and secure, eliminating the fumbling with traditional GoPro mounts that slowed down shooting workflows. The build quality and ecosystem remain GoPro's strengths. The camera feels incredibly durable, and the extensive accessory ecosystem means you can adapt this camera to almost any mounting situation or specialized need. If you can work within those lighting limitations and can justify the lens mod costs, the Hero 13 offers unique capabilities that no other action camera can match. The lens system creates genuine versatility that expands creative possibilities significantly. For users who want maximum creative flexibility and can invest in the lens ecosystem, the Hero 13 Black offers capabilities that justify its premium positioning and additional costs. After months of comprehensive testing across every condition I could think of, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro has earned the top spot as the best overall action camera you can buy right now. This camera successfully balances cutting-edge features with practical usability in a package that consistently delivers when it matters most. The new Super Night mode is genuinely impressive for low-light action footage. During testing in challenging lighting conditions, the Action 5 Pro consistently delivered usable footage where other cameras struggled. The noise reduction algorithms work effectively without destroying detail. The audio integration with DJI Mic 2 and Mic Mini is seamlessly executed and delivers significantly better results than I've achieved with GoPro's external microphone solutions. For content creators who need good audio, this integration is genuinely superior. The compact size compared to the GoPro makes mounting easier and less intrusive, whether on helmets, handlebars, or other gear. The magnetic mounting system continues to be the best I've tested, providing secure attachment with quick operation. You wanted the best, and you got it. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro delivers professional quality results with user-friendly operation and reliability that makes it suitable for both serious content creators and casual adventure documentarians. It's the action camera I reach for most often, and the one I'd choose if I could only own one model. That wraps up my comprehensive testing of the best action cameras for 2025. I hope my real-world experiences help you find the perfect camera for your adventures and content creation needs. If this review helped you out, smash that thumbs up button and let me know in the comments what type of action footage you're most excited to capture. I love hearing from fellow adventure enthusiasts about their filming experiences and creative projects. And if you're new to consumer pics, welcome. I test cameras and outdoor gear with the same thorough approach, so subscribe and hit that notification bell to catch all my future reviews. Until next time, keep capturing those epic moments.